These are the 10 best commuter motorcycles for beginners. Number 10, Yamaha Bolt R-Spec, priced at $8,899, gets 51 miles per gallon, is customizable, and has a belt drive requiring low maintenance. Number 9, Honda CB650R, priced at $9,399, gets 51 miles per gallon, puts you in an upright position for a comfortable ride, and has built-in ABS. Number 8, Harley-Davidson Softail Standard, priced at $14,399, gets 47 miles per gallon, has a low seat height for a comfortable ride, and is fully customizable. Number 7, Triumph Bonneville Bobber, priced at $13,795, gets 60 miles per gallon, has a 1200cc engine with plenty of power, and a 10,000-mile service interval. Number 6, Ducati Scrambler, priced at $10,995, gets 52 miles per gallon, comes in 3 variants, and has cornering ABS. Number 5, Royal Enfield INT 650, priced at $6,149, gets a whopping 70 miles per gallon, has a 648cc engine, and comes in a variety of color schemes. Number 4, Indian Scout 60, priced at $11,749, gets 30 miles per gallon, has a low seat height, and forward controls for a comfortable riding position. Number 3, Kawasaki Vulcan S, priced at $7,899, gets 51 miles per gallon, has adjustable controls to maximize rider comfort, and a sealed chain drive to keep maintenance low. Number 2, Suzuki GSX-8S, priced at $8,849, gets 67 miles per gallon, boasts an intelligent ride system with features like traction control, and a clutch assist system which can take away some of the headache for newer riders. Number 1, Yamaha XSR900, priced at $10,199, gets 49 miles per gallon, has a rider assistance system with features like traction control, and a lightweight frame, which means a lighter bike, great for newer riders. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and watch this video next to prepare yourself for the road.